Welcome back, everyone. So today's video is about the disassembly of the Rochester 4-barrel carburetor that came on this Trans Am. The model, to be exact, is a E4ME, so it's got the electric choke and it also has electronic feedback. The thing about this video, it's for entertainment purposes only, okay? I'm just sharing my experience, okay? You can find a better how-to video, how to disassemble a Rochester carburetor, than this one, okay? But I'm just letting you guys see what I'm doing and sharing my experience. That's what this channel is all about. It's about, you know, the 1985 Trans Am revival, the one that I bought off of Facebook Marketplace. I'm just going through all the things that I can afford to do and I want to do to try to bring this baby back to life. So with that said, though, this book, the Haynes Carburetor Manual, it's pretty good. It's a technical book. It's got a lot of good information. It's step by step, and so you really can't go wrong using something like this. Obviously, there's a lot of YouTube videos that are really good at breaking down the exact procedures and steps that you need to do. I went ahead and I put as many that I could in the video, as many steps as I could. I did leave out like the primary metering rods. I don't think I caught the removal of those. But anyway, you can follow along with the book, and if you want to watch my video to kind of see how things look and where things are, that's great. But again, it's for entertainment purposes only. So I hope you're liking the videos. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe. And let's get to the disassembly of the carburetor. couple of observations right away. This accelerator pump, it does not look too good. Yeah, so the kit that I got came with just these, and from the looks of that accelerator pump, it did not come with a new accelerator pump. So from the looks of this accelerator pump, you know, it's worth, I think they're maybe 12 bucks. I'm gonna get a new one. Let's see, what else? Oh, the choke. Yeah, the choke, I've seen better days. It's an electric choke, but I think these are cheap. I might get a new one of these. The housing, show you that. I think there's enough rust there to warrant the rust remover, the rust dissolver that I got.